Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a spike in Jira. First, go ahead and log into your account. Once in, select on the project where you want to add one. Now, click on the three dots beside the project name and go to Project Settings. After that, on the left panel, go to Work Types and select Add Work Type. Now create a new one. For here, name it as Spike, and you can add a description for what a spike is. You can now go ahead and change its icon. You can upload or choose one from what Jira provided. For here, I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one and select. Now, just create it. Once done, go back to your project, then click the Create button at the top. When you go to Work Type, you can choose on Spike. Here, just add in a summary for it and also add in the other fields and click Create. Now you have your issue. When you go click on it, you will see that it is a spike type, and that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.